Check. So today on this episode of Goosebumps, I'm going to be making a Norwegian shrimp tostada. So in season right now are these tiny little shrimp that are super popular, and they're all over restaurants in Norway and in Oslo. And my son saw them on the menu, and it was 500 grams of shrimp, and he insisted to have them. And we were like, it's a lot of shrimp. You're not going to be able to finish all that shrimp. And then he insisted he wanted the shrimp, so we ordered him the shrimp. Same thing happened to me when I was a kid. I was at a restaurant. I wanted fettuccine Alfredo and some veal piccata, and the waiter looked at my dad and said, is this what the kid wants? And they said, the kid ordered what he ordered. Bring it. And so I ate it all. So anyway, we ordered the shrimp. My son did not finish it all. We were left with a box of shrimp that I needed to use somehow. So I peeled them up. They were left with a bunch of roe inside the shells. Almost all of them had roe inside. So I took that roe out and put it into the mayonnaise that goes on the bottom of the tostada, a crunchy corn tortilla fried, and then topped with this, fortified shrimp roe mayo, and then a quick pico de gallo marinade on the shrimp that I peeled, a quick little salsa, like a dried chili salsa that we use at Oshimoko. It's our Oshimoko salsa. And that's it. Some cilantro on top, a lot of lime, a little olive oil, sea salt, a little paprika dusting over the top. It was delicious. It's what you want to eat now when it's hot. And we got no AC here in Norway. So we have 10 days of hot. Anyway, enjoy this recipe. Peace.